Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the Shanghainese style sweet and sour pork ribs. Let's look at the ingredients. You may find a list of ingredients and procedures by clicking the description. 喺注釋裏面有中文食譜。Try to buy the meaty part of ribs. Cut into larger pieces, wash and wipe dry. Rub the ribs with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch for 1 minute. Let it stand for 10 minutes, then wash and wipe dry. Mix 45 grams of Siu Hing wine and 30 grams of soy sauce, then add to the ribs. Add half tablespoon of cornstarch to the ribs. Mix well, then add 1 tablespoon of oil and mix well. Marinate the ribs for 2 hours. Let's prepare the sauce. Heat up pressure cooker by pressing Sauté and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add ginger, garlic, and green onion. Sauté. Drain pork ribs from the marinade. Pan fry pork ribs until light brown in color. Add black pepper, salt, sugar, soy sauce, and vinegar. Continue to saute. Add bay leaves and star anise. Add about 150 grams of hot water. Pressure cook for 15 minutes. Then naturally release pressure for 5 minutes. Mix 1 teaspoon cornstarch with 1 teaspoon cold water, then add to the sauce. Sauté to thicken the sauce. The Shanghainese sweet and sour pork ribs is ready to serve. Enjoy!